Hello everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to know what team are you in Pokemon Go. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've forgotten your team on Pokemon Go and you'd like to know, then here is how you can find it out. First, tap open your Pokemon Go app and make sure that you are logged in. Now, if you tap on your character's portrait at the bottom left-hand corner, you'll be able to see your team mascot displayed prominently behind you. If you've chosen Yellow Team, you'll be able to see a yellow mascot appearing behind your character. Similarly, if you've chosen Blue, you should see Blue. There's another way to find out your team on Pokemon Go, that is by appraising your Pokemon. Tap the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on Pokemon. Select a Pokemon you'd like to appraise and tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Tap on Appraise and you'll be able to see your team leader telling you the appraisal result. Since I've chosen the Yellow Team, the team leader from Yellow Team will appear on the screen. That is how you'll be able to find out what team are you on in Pokemon Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.